Is US about to strike Venezuela? Like in real life? Reports say America warship and special forces are already moving in, even the President Trump denies it. Something big is happening in the Caribbean and the world is watching. Tensions are heating up fast, in the Caribbean especially. RT News claims that US Special Forces motherships, the MV Ocean Trader, has entered the region and now is active. That's not just any other ship, it's floating base built to convert the operations. And right now, it's sitting dangerously close to Venezuela. Just days ago, US President Donald Trump said that there are no plans to attack Venezuela. But here is where the things get confusing. Trump also said this administration would target drug-related operation inside the country, calling Venezuela a key part of drug trade. Over the past few months, the US military has quietly built up the presence in Caribbean. Fighter jets, warship, thousands of troops all positioned with the striking distance. And soon as massive Gerald Ford aircraft carrier strikes the group expected to join them. So what's really going on there? On one hand, Washington says that it's all part of the war on drugs. On the other hand, critics believe that it's a cover for something bigger. A possible move to push Venezuelan President Nicolás Maduro out of the power. Adding to that drama, the Trinidad and Tobago Defense Force have reportedly gone on high alert. Social media posts claim that soldiers were ordered to return to the base as soon as possible and cancel all leaves. Satellite images also show that US ships, including the USS Iwo Jima and USS Gravely, within striking distance with Venezuela shores. This is a clear sign that something is coming, even if Washington insists otherwise. Venezuela meanwhile denies any drug ties, accuses US for trying to move Maduro through the force. But as American ships move closer, the region forces prepare, the question remains, is it really about drugs or the regime change? What do you think? What is happening there? The US preparing for a war or just flexing its power?